What's that? Hey, that's my... No. How'd you do that? Hey, this was mine in the first place, so I keep it. I don't know what you said, but I'm still leaving. Why are you following me? Oh, no, come on. Get me You know what? Fine, you can have it. I'm gonna go in my bed. This dog doesn't understand me, so just gonna go. My bed, and what's this? I don't know your name, so... Robert, is this yours?
No, I don't care.
Now let me sleep, alright? My bed, my sweet bed. It's just nice to finally sleep after such a long day of dumb studies and other things alike. Hey, what you doing? No! Get off me! No! Stop! Jesus, why are you so selfish? Well, I'm not gonna let you steal my shoes, or my pants, or my sweater, or this thing, or my hat. You know what? I'm going to punch you in the face, and then I'm gonna get the out of you. Or the it's the same thing. So you son of Wait, I gotta die with my hat though.
Don't let unknown dogs get into your house. Unless you want to die from cough. Like me.